Hey, welcome back. Oh, new lid, new boots. What's going on? Let's see how we get on. This being my new Arai Quantic Podium helmet. Really comfortable. And a good bit lighter than the Shark. But it's not the warmest of mornings just yet. And there's a lot of ventilation in this here lid. I might have to try and sort that out. Any road up. This little video here that I'm going to do is just to tell you about a product I've been sent from a company called Telesin, and it's these here mounts that you can see. So you're probably able to see that I've not got a helmet mounted camera at the moment. I've got this here neck mount, and this here handlebar mount here is slightly different to the one that I normally use, but it looks top quality. So I'm just going to cut away now and show you a little video unboxing of these two action camera mounts, and you just get an idea of how they go together and what the quality is like. And it's pretty good, I have to say. I wasn't too sure when I first agreed to review this bit of kit, but I was quite impressed once I unboxed it all. Top quality. Aye, and just before we cut away to that, I'll just say there are advantages and disadvantages to having a body mounted camera or a neck mounted camera like this. I mean, the advantages are you don't have to have anything stuck on your helmet, for one. When you take your helmet off, you can still carry on filming. That's another one. But the flip side is, of course, if I have a helmet mounted camera and I see something off to the left or right and turn round to look at it or remark upon it, you get to see it as well. Hey, whereas with this setup you don't, because I'm not about to pivot round and start riding side saddle just to get a good view. Sorry and all that. So let's have a quick cutaway and have a look at the close-up detail and unboxing of the Telesin bike mount and the Telesin neck mount for just about any action camera you care to mention. Have a look. Right, so first off, unboxing the Telesin handlebar mount, and as you can see, a number of components there, and the first thing that I noticed was the excellent quality, the excellent construction quality, fit and finish, as compared with a lot of cheaper stuff that you can get on eBay and Amazon and the like. There you can see the rubber insert that allows you to clamp to, such as a mirror stem rather than the handlebar. And a lovely combination there, a top quality heavy duty plastic and metal. Next up, the RAM type mount, and closely followed, as you'll see, by the bayonet mount for the action camera mount itself, the standard GoPro. And for that matter, Insta and DJI mount, they're all the same mount, and they're the high quality all metal bracket that joins one to t'other, and of course the ubiquitous GoPro type screw there, although I have to say that's a better screw than GoPro's own. So what we need to do to assemble these parts together so that you can have a handlebar or mirror mounted camera is just loosen the bracket off there so that it'll accommodate the ball at the top and the bottom, and then just nip it up thus. Then it's just a matter of attaching the standard GoPro action camera mount by way of its bayonet and magnet fitting there. Nice, firm, secure fit with a positive click, and there you have your unit ready to go. And just screw your camera on there, and yeah, you got yourself a handlebar mount. Okay, so the neck mount, right, I've never used one of these before, but I will be doing. This is a great alternative if you want to keep filming once you've taken your helmet off, or if you don't want to attach helmet mounts to your beautiful new Arai or Shuit or whatever it might be. So there's the neck mount itself. Again, top quality construction, a real premium feel to it. There's the bit that you can use to secure the mount itself to your chest area, should you wish to, that black webbing there. Then we get another bayonet type GoPro mount there, bayonet and magnet type GoPro mount, and the standard action camera screw. So first of all, how do we get the old neck brace, the necklace on? You press that there button and you pull out that there connector, a bit like a bike lock, a bit like a small bike lock, and that again just snaps back into place. And as we shall see, that grey button there has another function as well. Nice soft rubber backing to dampen down any banging about of the camera on your chest area, and then just a matter of popping in and twisting 90 degrees that there GoPro mount, which you can adjust, as we shall see shortly, with camera on. Right, so now actually fitting a GoPro and getting it in the correct orientation. So obviously mount the GoPro mount there to the GoPro camera in the normal fashion. Thus. And then offer up that bayonet mount, that female bayonet mount, to the bracket on the end of the neck mount there. Obviously that's in the wrong orientation, so just a matter of pressing that grey button again, and you can click the camera round to any one of 4 positions as preferred. And very, very secure indeed, very straightforward, quality bit of kit. So to mount the handlebar mount to the handlebars, it's a matter of just tightening up that clamp on your preferred location on the bars, or on the mirrors if you have standard mirrors with the insert I showed you earlier. Now obviously I can't use that option on these here bar end mirrors that come with the V7 Stone Special Edition, but if you had standard mirrors, use that little rubber insert I showed you earlier and you can attach it to the mirror stem. Tighten everything up, and there you have a very secure mount. Right, okay, and to attach the camera to the neck mount, just clip in that bayonet and magnet connector attached to the action camera, twist it into the right position, and it locks in place. Right, so I hope that gave you some idea of what this products are like, and how they sort of work. And I have to say, the proof of this will be the quality of the footage. Hey, when you get to see it. But of course, if it's absolutely shite, you won't be seeing it anyway, and I'll do it all again. Thank you, GoPro. Locking up once more. I don't know. Now, a good way to test this here mounting system is on this Moto Guzzi V7 of mine, because I'll tell you what, if any bike's going to test the vibration resistant qualities of the handlebar mounted camera, it'll be this Moto Guzzi, because it's got a lot more rock and roll than my other two bikes, that is for sure. Hey, a load more rock and roll. So if this stays in position on this bike, it'll stay in position on any bike, let me tell you. So yeah, completely different setup. So I've no idea what the sound quality will be like inside this Arai helmet. I've got the microphone in the sort of place where I always have it, really. And of course I've got this neck mounted forward facing GoPro Hero 12, and I'm not entirely sure if it's pitched at quite the right angle yet, but we shall see. So yeah, there's a link in the description below if you follow that link, and I have to say, from my point of view, absolutely excellent, particularly if you don't want to go down the route of having to mount cameras and everything to your helmet. So a very workable alternative for any would-be vloggers out there, which of course I am reasonably well established now. But yeah, if you're wanting to get into the old vlogging game, then you're going to need camera mounts, and if you're going to use the setup that I'm using here, which is what I would recommend, which is a handlebar mount and some form of forward facing mount, this is a very good setup indeed. So yeah, Telesin. Right, so that be it for this here product review. Hope it was of some interest to you. If it was, please click a like, please subscribe to the channel. I know I sound like a stuck record these days, but if you just take a couple of seconds to click subscribe, it makes a massive difference to me. It makes all my efforts worthwhile. I really would appreciate it, thank you. Otherwise, until the next time, and in the meantime, ride safe, be kind, and of course, I'll see thee. So fast forward a few hours on the same ride out, and here I am riding through a beautiful valley called Deep Dale, and as you can see, the handlebar mount, the Telesin handlebar mount for the GoPro is still firmly in place, which is one hell of an achievement on something as rock and roll and vibey as a Moto Guzzi. And let me tell you, just about every other mount that I've had positioned on this bike on the handlebars has moved out of position before very long, but this one has stayed rigidly in place. So top quality and a testament to the functionality and practicality of these here Telesin mounts. And as you can see, the view afforded from the neck mounted camera is every bit as good as you would expect from a helmet mounted camera. So if you don't want to stick action camera mounts all over your helmet, or if you want to be able to carry on filming once you've taken your helmet off, or if you want to do any other sort of filming in the forward position that allows you to keep your hands free and to move about, for example any garage work that you might be filming, any maintenance work, service work on your bikes, etc. This is another excellent option. It always maintains your point of view, it remains firmly in place, and it gives a very satisfactory landscape view when you're out and about on the bike, as you can see. So yeah, www.telesinstore.com. Take a look at the link in the description below, have a look at the products, and there's no way at all that I would recommend anything that I haven't A, thoroughly tested, and B, thought to be of excellent quality. So there you go, take a look, www.telesinstore.com. See you soon.